In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth not pairing to an iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this problem can happen with speakers, headphones, earbuds, really just anything Bluetooth. And here's a few quick fixes that you can try. First things first, go ahead and open up your settings app and tap on Bluetooth. And if your device isn't showing up or you're getting errors when you're trying to pair, start with this, turn your Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and then turn that Bluetooth back on and check to see if your device does appear and try and pair it now. If this is a device you've connected to before, simply go ahead and find the little eye icon right next to it, select it, and then hit forget this device and then try pairing again. If you're still having issues though, go ahead and do a force restart on your iPhone. You can do this by quickly pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then pressing the side power button and just holding it down until you do see the Apple logo appear, then release. Once your iPhone does reboot, go to your Bluetooth device, power it off, and turn it back on. And make sure you do put that device into pairing mode. Every product does this differently, so look for the pairing button or indicator on your device. For example, on the speaker that I'm currently using, I just have to press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button. But essentially, it's going to pop up on there, and you should see it on your iPhone. Tap it, and you should now be able to connect successfully. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.